Quick art story time. I always had a fear of fire. I used to make jokes about it. Keep in mind that this was in 2019. It's 2021 currently. So, if you're seeing this in a different year, do not get mad. I was in third grade at the time, so yeah. On the weekends after school, I used to go to the pond just to spend time there. Not really much. I know this sounds like a really big stretch, but sometimes I used to eat the grass there. Kind of weird. It was just me and my friend there one day. We were hanging out, chilling, whatever normal people do. All of a sudden, we hear the fire alarm go off. And so, of course, we run out of the area because, we were both scared of fire and still are. By the time we got to the park, everybody was there waiting for us, like for part two.